Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix background app refresh not freaking issue on iPhone or iPad. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have enable background app refresh from the app setting. If you have accidentally disabled the background app refresh toggle from the app setting menu, you will face issues with pulling new information from the app. Follow the steps to below revert the decision. So you have opened the setting, click on general, click on background app refresh. So any app you have uh, facing this issue, he is not enabled. From this time I have already used the low power mode. When you have used the low power mode on your iPhone, background app refresh alert from you have content that is not freaking. When in low power mode, background app refresh is disabled. Then second solution, you have update the app. Background app refresh might be not freaking due to peggy app build. Though this sounds like a far-fetched possibility, using a beta build of the app could not properly work with iPhone native settings. So you have opened the app store, then you have updated the app all from here. So then you have click on app store ID icon, scroll up, then you have click on update all app, then you have update the all app from here. Then third solution is reset all setting. A wrong settings tick might affect the background app refresh on iPhone. Thankfully, Apple has included universal reset setting option that resets all setting the toggle as before, though the steps below. Open the setting, click on general, again click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset our setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset our settings. Fourth solution, update iOS latest version. If you are using an older iOS version, then incompatible or older version of the app might be causing the issue. Millions of iPhone users update their device on the day latest iOS update lands. However, large number of people avoid updating their iPhone different reasons. Then you have at least you have update iOS latest version. Then last solution, you have keep the app open in the foreground. This is a just temporary solution for apps that you have and upload in progress, like the Google Photos app. Keeping them in the background might fuse the upload. So if you are using any such app that require active data connectivity to upload or download data, keep it running. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know enable background app refresh for iPhone. Background app refresh play a major role in the daily iPhone experience. You can easily fix this background app refresh not working problem using the solution mentioned above on your iPhone. If nothing works, then you have already set setting. Usually instead of getting this in order, Bootstrap solved the issue for you. Share your experience in comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.